What's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. Today is May the 14th. May is flying by, man. So anyway, guys, we're on one of two jobs today. We're out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is the residence of Miss Gina. I came out about 2 weeks ago, gave her an in-home consultation. She booked for today. We're just doing a wood floor clean and buff, and we're also doing her granite countertops. And then after this, we have to go do a... How you doing? Nice to meet you. We met already? All right, well, good to see you out here. Out here doing my thing. That's a local carpet cleaner. Yeah, I used to clean carpets, by the way, if you guys didn't know, for many years, almost 2 decades. So with that being said, guys, after this, we got to go do a job in Brookhaven, and then we also have a consultation in the what's the little 5 Points area. So let me show you what we got going today. Let's get straight to it. All right, guys, so we're out here in Alpharetta, Georgia, residence of Miss Gina. Beautiful, cozy. Sometimes I come into my clients' homes and they're just so nice and cozy. Like, after working, I can just sit on the couch and just sit here for the rest of the day. So anyway, guys, these are the countertops we're doing. Oh yeah. All right, so I haven't done this floor yet. Now again, just like the job we did yesterday, our repeat client, clean and buffing is the only service. You do not have to move all the furniture, but what the clients would do, they'll fold the rugs back as much as possible. We come in, clean the floors, buff them out, and then they lay the rugs, or we'll just lay the rugs back. So I just had Miss Gina go upstairs and look at her master bedroom, which I started first. She said, oh, Courtney, love it. Just using my little Auric just to kind of buff it out. Because the floors really wasn't bad. I didn't have to bring out the big buffer. So I just did up here. All right. And her floors are in great condition. So, but she just, you know, again, guys, you have those clients. They know when their floors are, you know, taking a beating. She rescues foster animals. And she just want to get the floors clean. All right, guys. Go ahead and do this area. Stay tuned. And also the kitchen.
Hey. Clean it, buff it. Watch them wood flows jumping. Clean it, buff it. Countertops shine like money. Truman outside. Hey, yeah, we back again. Flows look brand new when we clean and buff them. Hey, pull up deep in the whole house lit. Dirty wood flows, yeah, we handle that quick. But machine glide, let it spin real smooth and the shine back. Now the whole room new. Countertop glow when we polish them down. Granite marble best in the town. Whole crew vibing when the music loud. Truman clean game, make the homeowners proud. Clean it, buff it. Watch them wood flows jumping. Countertop shine like money.
One day service, in and out smooth. No sanding needed, just restore the groove.
Microfiber will slide while the buffer rotate. Kitchen look rich, yeah, the kind of first rate. Flow look glossy when the sunlight hit. Whole house clean, now the whole vibe lit. Keys up, Truman when the van pull up. Whole neighborhood know we clean stuff up. Smooth operation, no mess, no fuss. Bring the shine back every time with us.
Spin the buffer, let it glide real slow. Countertops wet with the marble glow. Whole house fresh when we hit that dough. Truman got it popping from the kitchen to the floor. Clean it, buff it.
Watch them wood flows jumping.
Clean it, buff it.
Countertop shine like money.
Truman outside.
Yeah, we back again. Bring the whole shine back when we clean and buff.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. Miss Gina is very, very happy with the services, but she's also upset with the cleaning lady that cleaned her floors and put that residue down. It wasn't wax. I think it was probably Murphy's oil soap, but the floors look amazing. All right, guys, so we're about to get ready to head to our second job. They actually left me access to the house because she said she had to run off and do errands. It's a move-in. We're going to be doing a screen recoat with UV Cure with semi-gloss finish. Yes. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.